The Micro Machining Group. Your precision, our passion. One small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind are the legendary words spoken by Neil Armstrong when he, as the first human being, set foot on the moon. But before this achievement became possible, thousands of smaller achievements had to be realized. Think, for example, of the stairwell that was dropped from the lunar module, taking the astronauts safely onto the lunar soil. This stairwell consisted of various components that were each essential to the successful completion of this mission, down to the smallest screw. For many years, the Micro Machining Group has been involved in the development and production of essential components, the components that make great achievements and breakthroughs possible. For many decades, the 4 machining companies within the Micro Machining Group have been trusted suppliers of high-quality precision components in demanding market segments. Each of these 4 companies is characterized by high standards with regard to lead times and reliability of quality and delivery. Due to our excellence in a specific competence, as the client, you benefit in the best possible way. Technology 20, all-rounder with a perfect balance between lead time and the reliability of quality and delivery. FIV, extremely short lead times. Germeifa, ultimate precision. HFI, reliability of delivery, including when very large numbers are involved. The Micro Machining Group is known as a reliable partner in the following market segments: aviation and aerospace, medical and optical, the attractions market, automotive, semiconductor, oil and gas. Measurement and control technology. Food products. And defense. Supplying to these markets, quality management is self-evident. Our group has the following certifications: ISO 9001-2008, AS 9100 Revision C, ISO 13485, the Micro Machining Group, your partner in the development and production of essential components. Being a part of the stock market listed Alberts Industries, we offer more. Our group takes over the complete production process of components through the integral outsourcing of high-tech processing to sister companies, among other things. Think of surface treatment or hardening processes, for example. This way, you retain one point of contact, but you benefit from all the high-quality technological expertise that is available within Alberts Industries. Which contribution may we deliver for your next breakthrough?